Hey guys, welcome to SSP Parts. Today we're going to be changing a 2010 Forester passenger side sun visor. And we're going to start by taking these two Phillips screws out. We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver for this task. And take the front screw out. Okay, now that we've taken out the screws, we're going to want to put them in a handy spot so that we don't lose them. A good spot to put the screws is right here. Nobody should touch them. Alright, now we're going to take out the sun visor by popping it right off like that. And we're going to go to SSP Parts to grab a new one. Now that we've grabbed our new sun visor for the passenger side, 2010 Forester, we're going to want to put it in. And a more convenient way to put it in is not like this. And to snap it in first, because then it'll just hold by itself. We grab the two screws we put in the console. We're gonna put the first one. Alright. You're gonna want to put the first screw in 75% of the way, so you can position the second screw in, and then you can put that in all the way in. That's how you change the 2010 Forester passenger side sun visor. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe.